Are you looking for the best pressure washer hose in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best pressure washer hose that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the YAMATIC 3200 Kink resistant high pressure washer hose. This YAMATIC pressure hose fits most brands of power washers, including Craftsman, Honda, B&S, Generac, Ryobi, PowerStroke, Simpson, and Dual. It's good to note that you will need an adapter for Sun Joe, Homdox, and R Blue electric pressure washers. This model is a durable pressure washer hose replacement capable of up to 3200 psi and designed to last for thousands of projects. The connection ends are 635 mm, which should fit most pressure washers. As the name suggests, this pressure washer hose was designed to be kink resistant, making this hose easy to use, carry, roll, and store. It's also made with non-marking materials, so your concrete, driveway, and decks will stay clean. Up next in the 4th place is the Simpson Cleaning Monster Cold Water Pressure Washer Hose. The Simpson Cleaning Monster Cold Water Hose can handle up to 500 psi, which helps with high pressure along with a long extension. This hose is made with dual braided technology and a polyurethane outer jacket, which is not only highly abrasion resistant, but doesn't leave marks behind like a rubber hose will. It's also very pliable for easy use around corners and over obstacles. The Simpson Cleaning Monster Cold Water Hose is, you guessed it, designed to be used with cold water, but can handle water up to 140 degrees F. It also has quick connect fittings for easy setup. One end has a 38-inch male quick connect plug and a 38-inch female quick connect socket. The 3rd product on our list is the Greenworks 25-foot Universal Pressure Washer High Pressure Hose. The Greenworks 25-foot Universal Pressure Washer High Pressure Hose features quick connect 635 mm fittings, a durable sheath that's abrasion resistant, female fittings, and enough flexibility to wind around objects without kinking the hose. It also handles up to 2000 psi. What we don't love is that the manufacturer does not specify which pressure washers are compatible, but everyday users remark that it will fit with nearly every pressure washer that runs under 2000 psi. The manufacturers have designed this hose to be compatible with all Greenworks pressure washers, except one model. Second on our list is the Sun Joe SPX 25H25 Universal Pressure Washer Extension Hose. This Sun Joe 25-foot hose is rated up to 300 psi and fits most electric and gas-powered pressure washers rated up to 2 to 900 with standard 22mm connections. At 145 pounds, this hose is easy to use, pull along, roll up, and store. This hose features male and female attachment points to fit a variety of pressure washers. What we really love about this hose: the 2-year, no questions asked warranty from Sun Joe. If anything happens to this replacement hose within the first 24 months, it's covered. Finally, the top product on our list is the Skifer 4000 psi Black 38-inch X50 FT wrapped pressure washer hose. The Skifer 4000 psi Black 38X50 FT wrapped pressure washer hose is a pricey option, but worth it when you experience the durability. For those heavy-duty, rough and tumble projects, this is your best choice. This hose is made from reinforced high-tensile braided steel wrapped in rubber for the ultimate durability. It's finished with a layer of embossed line for protection and a smooth feel. It features 38-inch brass female and steel male fittings and can work with pressure washers that put out up to 4000 psi and up to 5 gallons per minute, making the Skifer pressure washer hose our most reliable option for truly heavy-duty work. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.